As the next speaker, Maulvi Abu Huzaifa, please come on the podium and deliver speech on the topic of Republic Day.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, may praise be to Allah, the creator of the world, and peace blessing be upon his prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, upon his family and all his companions, honorable guests, respected teachers, and dear all. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this golden opportunity to speak some words on the topic of Republic Day. Dear audience, today we all have gathered here to celebrate 75th Republic Day of our country. This is a great auspicious occasion for all of us. We celebrate Republic Day in India every year on 26th January because on this day, in 1950, our Constitution was begun. Dear audience, India is a democratic country where the public is authorized to elect its leader to lead the country. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was our first president of India, our country. Since we got independence from British rule in 1947, our country, some development, some drawbacks have also risen, such inequality, poverty, unemployment, corruption, and illiteracy, etc. Today, we need to take a pledge for solving a problem in society, our country, the best country in the world. Here I conclude my speech.